How to create folders on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we would learn how you can create folders on Gmail. Now, in order for you to create folders on Gmail, you would have to make use of your PC. It is only possible on your PC. And how do you do that? Log in into your Gmail account on your PC, and then once you're logged in, move to the left side of the screen where you can see some options such as inbox start, snooze send, then click on the more option, and then you'll see on the same line or the same side of the screen, you'll see other options like spam, trash, manage labels, create new label. You just click on create new label, and a box will be displayed on the screen where you enter in the name of the folder that you would like to create. So let's say, for example, the name of the folder is work. All right, so let's make that in caps. And once you've done that, if you want to add the label under another label, it means nestle label. So you can just check this and then select the label that you want to add as a sub label or as a sub folder under this folder. But if not, you can just leave it this way, then click on create and go ahead to select the emails that you want to be in this folder. So let's say, for example, it is this. Just go ahead and select them, select the folders that you want them to be, and then once you're done, move to the top part of the screen, click on the more option button, and then click on label as, then select work, and just like that, just particular emails will be sent to that folder. So that's how it works. This is how you can create a folder on your Gmail account. Thank you for watching and have a good day.